Laswell, it was chemical weapons. Makarov has highly concentrated sarin gas.
Did you secure it?
Negative.
Captain almost died trying.
Where is he?
I'm here, Laswell. Where are the missiles?
I tracked Farah's missiles to an abandoned bunker complex. Built during the Cold War.
We know those bunkers.
So does Farah. Why does Coney need a silo for portable missiles?
Exactly.
We'll split up. I'll be with Farah just off the X.
We'll spread out and sweep the complex. Get those missiles back.
Good. I'm heading to Arklov to meet a contact who may be able to help us.
Custovian military base. How are you getting in there alive?
Carefully. I'll report back when I'm able.
I'll see you on the other side.
Good hunting, Bravo.
6 to Ghost. At the rally point, what's your status?
On target at Charlie. You got Alpha, Kilo takes Bravo.
Roger. Stand by. Fuck's sake, Farah.
Head on a swivel, old man.
Russia's back in Kazakhstan.
Contractors.
The Coney Group. Pulled a stash of chemicals from up north yesterday.
Stole my missiles at sunrise.
All less than 24 hours after Vladimir Makarov walked himself out of a prison.
Works quickly.
Well, he's making up for lost time, isn't he?
Let's move.
Who sent you the missiles?
Shadow Company.
Shadow Company don't have that kind of firepower. They're errand boys with tack vests.
They're allies.
They carried out a hit on my men.
Commander Graves did this.
Yeah, well, he had his orders, yeah.
From who?
General Shepard. Did Shepard send you those missiles?
My weapons are my business.
He's a very dangerous man, Farah.
We are all dangerous, Captain. Look. I never want to lie to you, but I can't tell you everything. What you call classified, I call secrets. My country is under siege again. My brother warned us.
Just to go a lot deeper than Kazakhstan.
Well, then let's help each other. Like always, I hope you trust me.
Implicitly.
Good. See you on the other side.
All stations. Bravo 6 on the next. Kilo?
Kilo set.
Copy. Your drone's on station. You and Farah have the con.
Affirm.
A lot of Russians. Coney's brought an army into Kazakhstan.
No missiles in sight. They're in the bunkers then.
Coney missiles are in the bunker, Captain. You'll need a key card for entry.
And you?
I know another way in.
Copy. Well, stay on comms. I'll see you inside. Pushing down from the mountainside.
The field may conceal your movement.
Right. Silent and violent.
6. Drone still up. Use it if you need it.
Six to all stations. Coney's planting ULF fingerprints on the base.
Makarov's launching a false flag attack. Those missiles are American. He's pinning it on Farah in the west.
He wants the world to think I'm the enemy.
We need to find out what the target is before it's too late. Two for one. Two Coney, one shot.
Saving brass. Smart.
Cleared the perimeter.
Their captain will have a key card. Track him down. He wears a red beret.
Roger. Red Beret.
Be advised, Soap and Ghost are in. Spotty signals underground.
Copy. We find the missiles and relay when we can.
Check.
Call that a twofer. -1. Took out their overwatch. Two for one.
Что там? Здесь никого. Принято. Понял. Отбой.
That's one more. Visual on the captain. Connie, captain's down.
Confirm when you get the key card.
Got the key card.
Copy that. I found an infill point. I'll meet you inside. Kilo out.
Another one down.
Контакт! Есть противник! Почисто. Мы получаем данные о чужаках в районе. Не расслабляться. Так точно. Как что-то увидишь, сразу сообщи.
Принято. Так, я не понял. Был звук рядом со мной.
You never saw it coming.
Надеюсь, вы что-нибудь нашли.
Все спокойно.
Понял. Всем быть
All stations moving interior.
Actual, be advised. We've got multiple silos. No eyes on the missiles yet.
Патруль на поверхности ничего не засек.
Есть, принято. Я могу отправить разведчиков проверить. Смотри, как внимательно. Прием, смотри. Командировал вперед. Окружай архитектора. Не отпустите его. Командир верхнего первого. На последний пункте. Запрашиваю подкрепление. Оружие! Сейчас!
Never.
Got your back, Captain.
Appreciate the assist, Kilo.
Они в комнате охраны. Приготовиться.
They know we're here. Don't hold back. On you. On your six.
Враг идет сюда!
Check your corners.
Если видите
pushing.
движение... Дерьмо!
Не даю осколочную!
Они
Pushing up top.
Готовьтесь
End of the
встретить
hole.
этих уродов! Стреляйте, когда они выйдут из-за угла! Я на позиции!
Clear.
Пускаю алгоритм запуска. Меняйте ракеты. Противник за дверью! Вены! Противник...
Move to cover! Shooters up top!
Пошел к укрытию!
Keep pushing! We have to get through this room!
Как у тебя с патронами?
Captain, do you hear that?
They're opening the blast door.
They're trying to launch the missile. This way! We have to push up to the second floor.
Can we use these computers to deactivate the launch?
Negative. I'll need to access the control box on the missile. One dead. The door to the silos at the end of the walkway. Go! If we can get to the missile, I might be able to disarm it. The launch platform is on the other side of this door.
Copy.
It's locked. I'll get it open. Stand by.
All stations, we located 2 missiles. The warheads are capital chemicals. I say again, the missiles have chemical warheads.
7-1, repeat your last. Fucking hell!
Doors open. This way. Let's move.
Все отряды к ракетной шахте. Надо обеспечить запуск.
Clear. The missile. They're going to launch it, Captain.
Fuck.
06, come in. Captain, you copy?
Go for 6.
Coney's put Makarov's chemicals into the warheads. They're gonna launch.
My missiles. My flags, my country.
He wants the world to think you did this.
If these missiles launch, they will. The chemicals. This missile has them too.
Farah, these are your missiles. There has to be a way to disarm it.
There is. Get on the control box. We can do this together. I'm in.
Ready?
Stand by. It's too late to disarm. We have to let it launch.
What?
We close the blast door and detonate.
Containing the chemicals in a bunker.
Yes. Get to the surface, find the blast door controls, and close it, Captain.
Where will you be?
I'll get to a safe position and hold the launch as long as I can. Go, now! Call me. Prep for contact.
I'll hold the launch as long as I can. Just get to that tower fast.
Enemy juggernaut.
stations. Tony's initiated that launch at my location. I can't stop it.
What is the target?
Our club base in Castovia.
Oh, no. As well.
2 minutes to launch.
Kilo, ascending now.
Copy. Go to the tower, get to the controls.
Cap, visual on a Coney helo incoming on your position. They're bringing in reinforcements. You need to move.
Coney's all over the surface. They're guarding the tower.
Cut through them. I'll hold the launch as long as I can.
Together then.
Seconds! Get to the control tower!
Pushing into the control tower, Farah. Kilo, closing the blast doors now. Kilo. Farah, do you copy? Farah, can you hear me?
Loud and clear, Captain. Detonation complete. Missile is dead. Chemicals contained.
Rog. Bravo, give me sit rep.
We're too late, Captain. Coney surrounded the controls.
Guys, what does he mean?
2 missiles. Launch him now from your northwest.
No. No. Craig! Watcher. 6 to Watcher. Kate. Laswell, are you there? This is 6 in the blind. We have 2 missiles incoming to the R Club base. They have chemical warheads. If you are there, get out. Now.